Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 530 model. It is used, but it's in great shape and it works great. Battery here is used and it's been last about an hour or so on the carpet and hardwood floor mix. So if you just have hardwood, it'll most likely last longer. So I quickly get here. The box is not in the best shape, but it's just a box. So here we got the manual, a quick start guide, all the paperwork included, you know. So you got the illustration paper and a bunch of other stuff. Alright. So here's two virtual walls. They do require some batteries here. So place the batteries and just open this up, pop it open, and so you see it needs two D-sized batteries each. When you put the batteries in, you cover this back up, close it up. So they're in great shape. Alrighty. So here we got the charger, power adapter. It's also in excellent shape. Got a docking station right here. For more details, you guys can look at the pictures, and if you guys have questions, please let me know. So I got a brand new extra filter. Alright, a brush cleaning tool. Alright, and the Roomba itself. Bag off here. Sorry, one hand operation is really difficult. Alright, so here's the Roomba itself. So like I said, it's used, so it shows a little bit of wear on it. Some just small blemishes there on the faceplate. If you don't like it, you can get another faceplate. They sell them new on eBay. But I'm just showing where the scratches are, so you guys will know. So like I said on the pictures, you guys can see a little more detail. Alright, here's the bottom side of this. So you got a three-legged brush here, which is in great shape. The front wheel also in great shape here. And I'll show you guys the dustbin. Alright. So everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. There's a serial number in case anybody interested in. So the brushes have been cleaned and everything. And the gears on this cleaning head module have been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life on this Roomba. And like I said, the battery lasts here an hour. So I'll show you guys how it works. Just press clean. And everything has been checked to make sure everything works fine. Everything works perfectly. And I'll show you guys that it does straight run. So the bumper sensors are good. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Happy bidding.